consider I have this blank data sheet on which I will create multiple dependent drop-down, and I have another sheet on which I have all of the options we need to create drop-down. The only problem, this data is not sorted properly, and I don't want to manually sort each and every time this data, so I will simply copy all of these three headers, hit Ctrl C, click on E1 and simply hit Ctrl V to copy all of the header name. Now I will click on E2 cell, simply type equal sort function, open parenthesis, click on A to drag the mouse down and simply change the end reference to 1000. Hit comma. For the sorting index, I will simply type curly bracket 1, 2, 3, curly bracket close parenthesis, and this function will sort all of my data based on column A, then column B, and then column C. If I simply hit enter, I will get a clean result. Now we need to use this range for our drop down. Now I will click on January sheet and I will simply select the 20 row. Click on data validation, click on list, click here, and now simply click on list sheet, click on E2 cell, drag the mouse down. In this case, I will simply specify 1000 rows. Hit OK. And now our first level drop down is ready. The next thing, we need to create our second drop down. But first, I will show you how the formula we develop. If I simply click on E2 cell, type equal, and now click on list sheet, click on F to drag the mouse down and simply hit enter. This will return a range based on our selection. The only thing we need to dynamic this 2 and 20 based on our selection in column A. So after equal sign, I will simply write quotation mark, and before 2 I will write another quotation mark and percent. After 2, I will again type and percent quotation mark again before 20 and percent and hit enter. Now we get our reference. The only thing we need to dynamic this 2 and 20. If I click on F2 cell now and simply type xmatch function, open parenthesis, what is the lookup value? In this case, I will simply specify A2 value, hit comma, and for the lookup array, I will click on list sheet. In this case, I will select the entire column E, hit comma. For the match mode, I will simply select exact match, double click 0, and for the search mode, I will specify 1, search first to last. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and now this will return the first position of Africa in column E. If I change Africa to, let's say, Asia, this will return 27. And now if I go to list sheet, row 27, column E, Asia is the first position. Now I will go to January sheet and simply copy this whole formula, hit Ctrl C, double click on E2 cell and simply replace the 2 with this dynamic formula, hit enter. Now I will again click on F2 cell and we need to change this 1 to -1. Hit enter and this is the end position of Asia. I will copy this whole formula now, hit Ctrl C, click on E2 cell and simply change the 20 with this dynamic formula. Now our reference is ready. We only need to type indirect function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, hit enter. And this is how we get country list based on selection in A2. Now I will copy this whole formula, hit Ctrl C, simply select from B2 to, let's say, 21, click on data validation, list, click on source and simply hit Ctrl V to paste the formula, hit OK. Our second level drop-down is now ready. If I select, let's say, North America, it will only show the option related to North America. Now for the third level, we only need to modify this formula. If I double click on E2 cell, instead of getting the value in column F, I will simply change the F to G. Instead of looking the value in column A, I will change the A to B and simply change the E reference to F. Hit enter and this is how we get the city list. Now I will copy this whole formula, hit Ctrl C, click on C2, select a few cells, let's say 20 cells, click on data validation, list, click on sort, Ctrl V, hit OK, and this is how we create our third level drop down. Now if I duplicate this step, simply hold Ctrl key and move this to the right. Right click, let's say February. If I select, let's say, a new option, it will show you the related country and also related city. I hope you learned something useful and enjoyed this video. If you have any specific question, just write me comment.